There is a really cool feature in Excel called flash fill. All right. Whenever you're dealing with a list of items, and let's say you already have some of the items in the list, maybe you have several different columns with like first names, last names, or addresses or what have you, whatever you want. Or maybe you just have one column with information. And let's say you either want to combine that together in another column. For example, maybe you have first names, last names, and you want to create a username field by combining the last name, a dot, and then the first name, for example. Or let's say you have a bunch of stuff combined in one column and you want to separate it out. In the past, we had to do that through the use of functions, things like concatenate and left and TEXTJOIN and things like that. And we could still do that, but there is a feature called flash fill that allows us to kind of have that happen automatically. I don't know how it does it. It just works. So let's take a look. Here, for example, we have first name, last name, and team all combined together in one column. As you can see here, I want to be able to separate those things out over these three columns. I want to have a column for the first names, column for the last names, column for the team. So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to start by typing in the first item. So the first name for our first individual here is Glenn. Right? I'm going to click on Glenn. And I'm going to go over to the Data tab here. And if I look over to the right, there is a flash fill icon. It's this table thingy thing with the lightning bolt. That's the technical term, folks. Table thingy thing. All right. Got a lightning bolt up here. This is flash fill. I'm going to click on that. And whoa, look at that. It automatically recognizes all of the first names based on what I typed in, and it fills it all the way down. That is amazing. I don't know how it does it, but it's fantastic. Let's try with the last name. Hartley. Let's go ahead and flash fill that. Oh, wonderful. How about the team? T67. Let's flash fill that. Beautiful. I mean, super easy. All we need to have is have everything in a continuous range, right? So that column, this first column, has to be touching these others. And as long as I put in the first value, it will automatically fill in all of the other values. That is fantastic.